Right, now let's talk about the absolute essentials,
Okay.
like connecting my phone and using the media system.
Very important. Now, it's very similar to your previous Jaguar. So have you connected your phone yet?
I haven't yet actually, but I'll do it now because my phone's ready. So if I go into the phone icon, tap to connect phone, then press on Jaguar I-Pace. There it is. Pair it up. That on there. And there it is. So that's all connected. And I also know that I can access my phone book in a number of ways, including via voice commands. So that's it. Good.
Yep, you're right. And just so you know, you can have multiple Bluetooth devices paired to the vehicle, but the system will always default to the last paired device. Now, additionally, 2 devices can be paired at the same time if you wish to use one for music and the other one for your phone.
Yeah, and that could stop a lot of arguments actually.
Yes.
Also, I know I can access my radio stations in a number of
Yes.
ways, store favorites, play media from various sources, etc.
That's very good. Okay.
Fantastic. I feel so connected.